The reason that you clicked on this video is that you are hoping to find a way to earn money online, but most of the websites that you have seen require you to pay something in order to earn money online, and you are looking for a free website that will provide you a great and easy method in which you can earn those money online. Well, in fact, I have made so many research and also proved so many websites until I discovered the best ones. And today I'm going to talk about a website in which will provide you a method on earning money online. What you will need to do is just stick to this end of this video, and you will be seeing how easily it is to earn money online. You just need to follow each step that I'm going to explain to you. But before I dive into more information, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also stick around, because I'm always publishing new methods on earning money online that are very easily. Now, the first step that you will need to follow on this video is to sign up to Gmail account. I know that most of you have a Gmail account. For those who don't, just create an account, because you will be needed at the end of this video, in which I will explain to you. Now, let me represent to you the website that we are going to deal out today. It's called crowdfireapp.com. You can find it very easily on Google because it is available worldwide. Now, crowdfire.com, as you can see over here, is a social media management simplified. Helps you discover and schedule content and manage all your social media accounts from other places. Now, as you can see here, you are going to manage other people's social media, and also you can see through the informations over here, discover relevant content based on your topics of interest, publish content from your own blogs, and many other information. But in fact, we are not going to do that, because I know that some of you might be probably saying that you don't really have that knowledge or that skill or even that time to manage other social accounts of other people. What you will be needed, it's not any social media followers or anything like that. I'm going to show you the trick that is hidden behind this website in order to earn money. Just go to the end of this page and click the affiliates and referral, and yes, you are going to use the affiliate marketing on this website. You know that I've talked so many times and I represented to you the affiliate marketing because it's such a good way and a great strategy. Now, what you will need to do is just promote the page to other people, and you are going to earn up to $422. That's a very high price, because other websites, as I have also talked about, don't pay you that much. Now, you will need to invite anyone to join Crowdfire, and we will give you 30% commission of all payments. That's a very high commission, guys. Have that on your mind and don't forget it. Like 35% generous commission, earning cash, free to join, quick payouts, unlimited earnings, easy tracking and reports. Now, how does this website works? You just need to sign up and get your referral link, share and promote your link, earn when they spend. Sign up and join their program very easily in a very easy step. In 1 minute you can open an account and share and promoting their affiliate link, in which they will send it to you and start earning. You can share the link whatever you want. They don't block you or they don't limit you. You can do it in what other places you want to. Earn when they spend. So every time a customer clicks on your affiliate link and buy something on Crowdfire, then you are going to earn $420. Now, how you're going to do that? Very easily. Just go by clicking join now. Now, let me show you the pricing, in which you will be seeing different prices and different package that Crowdfire offers in order for you to promote them and earn money. Now, as you can see, they have the free package, plus, premium and VIP. Of course, you are going to promote the VIP one, because the VIP package package will make you earn $420 for each person that is going to buy this. And I'm going to show you the right traffic source that you can find and refer this affiliate link, and for each person that is going to click, you are going to earn $420, which is a great way of earning money online. Now, as you can see, you have all the packages here. Now what you will need to do is join immediately, sign up with a Google or your own email, continue, and you will be directed to the marketplace in which you will have to join a program. Just search for the website crowdfireapp.com. As soon as you find it, you will just need to click on join the program, and as soon as you join it, you will be directed to this dashboard in which you can keep in track your own earnings over here. Now I have zero earnings because I just opened this account. At the end of this page, you are going to see your affiliate link in which you will be using. As you can see, it's a very long one with many symbols, numbers, and other things. So what you will need to do is go to the bit.ly.com and shorten that link. I always suggest this to you guys because the longer the link, more confused will be people, and also will be much harder for you to get those customers on clicking. So just shorten the link and make it more easily for them to click on it. Now you are going to find the traffic source where, well, first, as I said, open a Gmail account, log in because we will be using it. Just click on compose and you are going to write down this email over here. You can copy and paste this as it is, word for word, or you can create your own, taking into account what I have written over here. Hello there. Nowadays, marketing yourself on social media requires you to be active 24/7. I might had to deal with a lot of posting, content creation, and so on, and other words in order for you to convince the people to click on the affiliate link and also buy the VIP. Of course, you are going to also mention them the 40-day free trial for them because it will make it easier for you to get them to the website. But as soon as they will get to the website, they will see the VIP package, and of course they will go for it because it offers a more unlimited things for them. Now just put the affiliate link over here and also your name, and you are done. Now you are need to find the people or the contact in which you are going to share that email. Just search on Google top social media marketing companies, and as soon as you do that, you will be shown up the results in which you can choose one and start sharing the affiliate link. How you're going to do that? Just find like one of them or decide for one of them. I'm going to go with this Clutch. And here you are going to find top social media marketing companies. So we are talking about big companies, guys. So their budget is very high because it's not just an individual, but it's a big company. So I'm gonna go with this one, Disruptive Advertising. I'm gonna view their website, and as soon as I open their website, I'm going to find their contact, their email contact. As soon as I find it, I'm going to go here and exchange it to the recipients part their email, and I'm going to send it to them. You can do that over and over again with different ones over here until you will get many clients to click your affiliate link and start earning those money. As I said, try to provide to them the package of the VIP because it will make you earn $422, but please mention to them the 40-day free trial because it must be much easier for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and also have a look at our other videos as well, and please give a like to this video if you enjoyed it.